Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Security and lock Screen or Biometrics. Enter your PIN or pattern when prompted. This verifies you so changes take effect. Once done, tap Fingerprint to see enrolled prints and the option to add or edit. Make sure your finger is clean and dry before adding a new print. Fingerprints fail when greasy or wet. You're now ready to modify the fingerprint animation or add a fresh fingerprint for animation assignment. Next, locate the fingerprint animation or style option inside the fingerprint menu. On Oppo F31 Pro 5G, this may live under additional settings or themes integration. Tap a style to preview how it looks when you unlock. Previewing shows size, color, and motion so you know what to expect. If the option isn't visible, check for a color OS system update or open the Themes app to apply fingerprint effects, because newer animations are added through system or theme updates. Finally, apply the chosen animation and lock the phone to test it immediately. Watch the effect and verify responsiveness. If the animation doesn't appear, reboot the device and try re-enrolling the fingerprint, since enrollment can trigger the new visual. Make sure system updates are installed. If problems persist, clear Settings app cache or perform a light firmware update. If the sensor behaves poorly afterward, re-enroll all fingerprints and avoid screen protectors that interfere with the sensor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.